In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter credit card statements in QuickBooks 2026. By the end, you'll know how to bring in your credit card activity, reconcile it to the statement, categorize it correctly, record payments, and confirm everything with the right reports. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online and opening the company you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct file before you enter anything so your balances and reports stay accurate. If your credit card provider supports it, connect the card for automatic imports. Go to Banking, then Link Account, search for your card, and sign in through the secure connection. QuickBooks will start pulling in transactions, which dramatically reduces manual work and keeps your books up to date. If your bank doesn't connect or you prefer not to link it, no problem. You can enter the statement manually. To enter transactions manually, click New, choose Expense, and set the payment method to credit card. Select the correct credit card account so amounts flow to the right register. For each line from your statement, enter the payment date, the vendor or payee, choose the appropriate expense category, such as office supplies or utilities, confirm the payment method is credit card, and type the exact amount. A short memo can help you recognize the charge later. Repeat this for every transaction on the statement. If you have a lot of lines, consider banking an upload from file to bring in a CSV or Excel download from your bank, then map the columns to date, description, and amount before reviewing. Once transactions are in, reconcile the statement. Go to Accounting, then Reconcile, and select the credit card account. Enter the statement's ending balance and ending date. In the reconciliation screen, match what's in QuickBooks to what's on the statement. When everything lines up, the difference should be 0, indicating the period is reconciled. This step catches missing or duplicate transactions before they skew your reports. If you imported transactions, head to Banking and for review. Open each item, assign the correct category or account, and if you track them, add a customer, project, or class. Click Add or Match to keep the register clean and consistent. When you pay the card, record it in QuickBooks. Click New, choose Pay Credit Card, pick the credit card account, then select the bank account you're paying from, enter the payment date and the amount, and save. This reduces your credit card liability. Finally, run reports to verify accuracy. Review expense by vendor,